In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto-generated captions on Zoom. This feature is incredibly helpful, whether you're looking to improve accessibility for all participants or just want to ensure clarity in your meetings. Let's jump right in and take you through these steps. First things first, make sure you have the Zoom application opened on your computer, whether it's a PC or a Mac, and you're signed into your account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do so now. You'll need access to your Zoom account settings, and signing in is the initial step to take. Next, you'll want to navigate to your profile. Usually you can find this by locating your profile picture in the top right corner of the Zoom app. Click on that image, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you can adjust various features and functionalities to better suit your needs. Once you're in the settings, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll see a range of options, but the one we're interested in today is Accessibility. Click on Accessibility to open up the section devoted to features that enhance the ease of use and inclusivity of your Zoom experience. In the accessibility settings, there will be an option for closed captioning or live transcription. Turn this feature on. This setting is what allows Zoom to provide captions, either typed by a participant or generated live by Zoom during a meeting, depending on what's available on your account. After you've enabled closed captioning or live transcription in your settings menu, the next step is to know how to activate it during a meeting. When you're in a Zoom meeting and ready to utilize live captions, direct your attention to the toolbar located at the bottom of your Zoom window. Here, you should see an option named Live Transcript. Click Live Transcript, and you'll be given a few choices to better customize your experience. The option you're looking for is Enable Auto Transcription. Clicking this will activate real-time captions that appear on the screen as you continue with your meeting. This can be particularly useful if participants are in noisy environments or if they have auditory processing challenges. And there you have it. You're all set to use auto-generated captions in your Zoom meetings. This small step makes a big difference for inclusion and understanding. It's worth noting that not only does this improve accessibility, but it often enhances the overall communication within meetings, ensuring that nothing important is missed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and feel free to share this with anyone who might benefit from enabling auto-generated captions on Zoom. See you in the next video.